Welcome to the Auto Pulse Media. In this video, we bring you an in-depth look at the 2025 Mansory Audi RS Q8 Performance, a bold fusion of luxury, power, and aggressive design that redefines the standards of high-performance SUVs. Mansory, known for pushing the boundaries of automotive customization, has taken the already impressive Audi RS Q8 and elevated it to an entirely new level of visual and mechanical prowess. This version of the RS Q8 is not just a modified SUV, it's a statement on wheels that combines sheer muscle with an unmistakable road presence. The 2025 Mansory Audi RS Q8 Performance boasts a reworked exterior that immediately demands attention. With its aggressive wide-body kit, carbon fiber accents, and custom aerodynamic enhancements, the SUV has a commanding stance. The hood, side skirts, mirror caps, and rear diffuser are all upgraded with lightweight carbon fiber, reducing weight while enhancing the sporty appeal. The front fascia is sharper, featuring a more pronounced grille and larger air intakes that not only contribute to cooling but also emphasize the car's powerful character. Mansory's custom 24-inch forged wheels further complete the transformation, giving the SUV a more muscular and track-ready look. Under the hood, the Mansory-tuned RS Q8 is anything but ordinary. The standard 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 has been extensively upgraded to deliver more than 800 horsepower and over 1,000 Nm of torque. This results in blistering performance, with the SUV capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just about 3.2 seconds. That's supercar-level acceleration in a full-size luxury SUV. The enhanced engine mapping, high-performance exhaust system, and refined turbochargers contribute to both the increased output and a more aggressive sound profile. The exhaust note is deeper, throatier, and perfectly matches the aesthetic of this beast. Inside the cabin, the Mansory Audi RS Q8 Performance continues its theme of extreme refinement and individuality. The interior is a custom masterpiece, with premium materials used throughout. Fine leather upholstery, contrast stitching, Alcantara accents, and carbon fiber trims all blend to create a unique and sporty yet luxurious environment. Mansory offers fully bespoke customization options for interior colors, finishes, and even seating configurations, allowing owners to tailor the SUV to their exact taste. The digital cockpit and infotainment system remain cutting-edge, offering intuitive controls and high-resolution displays that keep you connected and in control. In terms of technology and features, the 2025 RS Q8 Performance is loaded with Audi's latest innovations. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, surround view cameras, night vision, and advanced driver assistance systems. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with a crisp and responsive touchscreen interface. The Bang & Olufsen 3D Premium sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, which pairs well with the ultra-quiet cabin unless you unleash the engine's roar. Mansory has also improved the handling and suspension setup. The adaptive air suspension has been recalibrated for sharper responses while still offering adjustable ride comfort for daily driving. The steering is more responsive, and with the wider track and upgraded tires, the SUV delivers astonishing grip and confidence through corners. Despite its size, it feels agile and composed, further reinforcing its super SUV credentials. What makes the 2025 Mansory Audi RS Q8 Performance stand out is its ability to blend extreme performance, luxury, and exclusivity. It's not just about numbers or looks, but the entire driving experience that has been elevated. This is a vehicle for those who demand more than just a premium SUV, those who want something that stands apart, something that turns heads and commands respect on the road. Thank you for watching this review of the 2025 Mansory Audi RS Q8 Performance. If you enjoyed the video and want to stay updated with the latest reviews, car tech, and performance upgrades, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment below, and most importantly, subscribe to Auto Pulse Media for more exciting automotive content.